What's up, guys? We finna do a food review. You know, I'm on my Keith Lee stuff. I have my 10-year-old back here in the back. Her mama ain't been feeling good today. So she decided to make me a very delicious meal. So we do have salmon and we got, what's this? Yellow rice. So first we gonna, what's this right here? Garlic?
Yeah.
First we gonna taste the salmon. The rice.
Mama!
It's hot. I'm doing a food review. Pretty good. This is buttery.
Mama, how you snack her back?
I get a rice with 10 out of 10. Then we got the salmon. It looks really good. It's a little. What happened, Imani?
I was trying to think about
Wait a second. It's a little burnt at the bottom because she got both of them is a little burnt. She got sidetracked hanging up her LED light, so she walked away from the food, which is a big no-no.
That's not well
You never walk away from food. Okay, so it's hot. It's steaming. It does not look overcooked in the inside. We're going to give it a taste, even though it's burnt at the bottom. Stop playing with your light.
Mama. Stop.
I feel like they could use a little bit more seasoning, a little lemon maybe, but it's not too salty.
Mama.
Oh yeah, okay, I'll taste the lemon.
Mama.
What, Kai?
No. No.
What? Here, taste a little piece. It's getting on my nerves. It's actually really good for a 10-year-old to have made this. I'm quite impressed right now, really. I am. I'm really impressed. Ignore her hair. I know it's not combed. Okay, so I give this one a 7 out of 10 because it needs a little more seasoning. Okay, we're going to try the second one.
Mama.
So you season one better than the other one?
No, that one had more salmon choked
I could
out
taste
of it.
butter,
Some is
lemon.
choked out of it. So when I poured the second layer of butter, it went inside the layer.
Oh, yes, this is pretty good. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna taste it. You did an amazing job. Oh, my gosh.
Mama.
That's pretty good.
You don't want to taste?
Very flavorful. I'm going to have to give this a 10 out of 10.
Mama, I read this to me.
Stop, Kai. It's a 10 out of 10 right here.
There's a lot more rice in the pot.
You did that, man. You're going to be a chef, watch.
Yeah, so can we get one of them salmons? Like, you don't need both.
Yeah,
Which
of
one
course.
you want me to get?
It don't matter.